My name's Cory Southam. I'm Operations Manager at Strongfield Environmental Solutions, and we're here at Farming Smarter's Open Farm Days. I'm here today to talk about drone spraying and what we can and can't do with drones. Really one of the biggest questions people ask us is what we can spray with drones on our farm, and really what we can do right now is any liquid fertilizer, micronutrient, and anything that falls under the category of pesticides can really only be done through research basis only. So the way that works is through Health Canada and with the chemical companies. We partner with them. We can spray active products with the drones on a research basis to try and gather some of the data that Health Canada would like to see to get label amendments put in place for some specific label instructions for spraying with drones. Also, outside of spraying, in about 5 minutes on this aircraft right here, we can drop the spray tank and the spray system, and we can put in a granular spreader so we can do seeding, fertilizing, and any other type of granular applications. Depending on the water volumes, it really varies how much we can cover with a drone. So it really ranges anywhere between 5 and 20 acres an hour is what we can cover with these things. The technology is in place. We can swarm them as well. So we can swarm up to 5 with one base station, so that increases our productivity by 5 times. Other than that, I think those are really some of the basic questions we get. This one right here is a 20-liter platform. As you can see, the spray system's mounted on a boom. Different from that is this one over here on my other side. So this is a 10-liter platform, and you'll notice on this one, the spray nozzles are mounted under rotor. So those are the two biggest differences between spray drones that are out there right now, is usually they're mounted on a spray boom or they're mounted under rotor. They're both fairly popular platforms. And this one here as well does have underneath a terrain sensing system here. So this uses radar. When you're flying, you set your altitude, your speed, and your swath width, and it'll automatically keep that spray altitude above the crop canopy. So if you have an undulatory field, or if you want to spray a slope side or something like that, it'll just follow the topography up and back down. It's got forward-facing camera as well. The new ones we have coming out with forward and rear-facing obstacle detection, so it won't run into anything while you're spraying. They also offer importable and exportable shape files, so any of your other farm equipment, you can use the same maps. And you can also export the spray records as well. So this one here on my left again as well is totally waterproof. So the nice thing about that, the new ones that are coming out are waterproof as well, is you don't have to worry about any damage to the electrical components while you're spraying. You can even spray in the rain if you had to, and it also makes decontamination really easy. So when you're done spraying and you got a little bit of spray covering the aircraft, you just take a garden hose, spray it off. You don't have to worry about damaging anything. It just cleans itself up pretty easy. Other than that, I think that's pretty much all I've got to say right now on spray drones. We're Strongfield Environmental Solutions, like I said, based in Lacombe, Alberta. Anybody has any questions, please just let us know.